Hello, and a warm welcome. It is wonderful that you have found your way here today. Has life been feeling stressful for you lately? Are you here today because your mind is constantly overthinking, leaving you feeling tense? Many of us try to counter this by just passively lying down. But often, our thoughts just keep racing. That is because our nervous system is stuck on high alert and has forgotten how to switch into rest mode. Don't worry. In the next few minutes, we will practice a few methods to better handle situations like these. For this, find a place where you can be undisturbed for a few minutes. Take a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Whatever feels best for you. Just make sure your spine is long yet relaxed. And when you are ready, very gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath and become aware. For the next 10 minutes, there is nothing to achieve, nothing to do, no obligations. Simply allow my voice to guide you. The only thing that matters is that you give yourself permission to take this break. Only then can any of this really work. Let us begin by arriving fully in the here and now. Bring your attention to your breath. Simply feel the air flowing into and out of your body, all on its own. Now take 3 deep, conscious breaths. Breathe in deeply through your nose and slowly and audibly out through your mouth. Once more, a deep breath in and slowly out. Very good. One last time, breathe in deeply. With this breath, gather all the hustle and tension of the day within you. And with a long exhale, you let it all go. Imagine the tension leaving your body like a gray fog, dissolving into the space around you. Now, let your breath find its own natural rhythm again. It is your anchor in the present moment. Feel your body as a whole. The points of contact with the surface beneath you. Allow your body to become a little softer and heavier with each exhale. Consciously relax your shoulders. Release your jaw and smooth the skin of your forehead. Now, imagine your consciousness is like a vast, open, blue sky. Naturally calm, clear, and infinitely wide. And your thoughts Feelings and sensations are like clouds drifting through this sky. Sometimes they are light, fluffy clouds, pleasant thoughts. But other times, they are dark, heavy storm clouds that seem to cover everything, like a storm in your head, a carousel of thoughts where one thought chases the next. Our natural impulse in this situation is often to push these clouds away, to fight the storm. But what actually happens to the sky, even in the most violent storm? The sky behind the clouds remains untouched. The clouds come and go, but the sky remains. And that is exactly what is happening here. Become aware that you are the sky, not the clouds in the form of your thoughts. For this, let us now practice a technique to adopt this very perspective of the sky. So, as soon as you notice a thought arising, a cloud, take a step back inwardly. Instead of getting carried away by it, just observe it. Try to label it inwardly as thinking or a thought, and then simply let it drift by without clinging to it. Observe how it appears on its own, is there for a moment, and then disappears again into the vastness of your consciousness. And whenever you notice that you have gotten lost in a thought story, be gentle with yourself. This is human and completely normal. The skill you are training here is the conscious awareness of drifting off and practicing that. Because the moment you consciously notice it, you are already present again. And should a thought storm arise, that is also perfectly fine. Simply remain the calm observer of the storm. Find the part within you that perceives the storm, but is not the storm itself. This part is always there. It is always connected to your anchor. So return very gently to your anchor, to the feeling of your breath flowing in and out. And there, you will find the part of you that remains calm, even within the storm, because in the sky, there are no good or bad clouds, no good or bad thoughts. They are simply mental events, clouds that come and go. You are the space in which all of this is allowed to happen. Vast, open, and free. Very slowly, in your own time, it is now time to bring your attention back to the outside world. Take the feeling of spaciousness and inner calm with you. Take a slightly deeper breath and fill your lungs with fresh energy. Begin to bring gentle movements into your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Circle your wrists. Stretch if you feel like it. as if you were waking from a deep, restful sleep. And only when you feel completely ready, slowly and gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel right now. Perhaps it has become a little quieter within you. This peace is no accident. It is the result of your conscious decision to become the observer. This ability is like a muscle. The more often you train it, even for just 10 minutes a day, the stronger and more accessible it becomes. This peace is always there for you, often just a few breaths away. Thank you for gifting yourself this time for you and your inner peace. If you like, share your experience in the comments and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future meditations. Be good to yourself. Until next time.